In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Slack. By the end, your Slack workspace will switch to a darker theme that's easier on the eyes, especially at night or in low-light environments. This is quick to do and takes just a minute. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack. You should see the official Slack website appear near the top of the results. Click the official Slack link to open Slack in your browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace. If not, sign in as you normally would. The steps are the same whether you're using Slack in a browser or the desktop app. Once Slack is open, look to the lower left corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Click that area to open a small menu. This menu is where you control personal settings that affect how Slack looks and behaves for you. From the menu, click Preferences. This opens a dedicated settings window with several categories on the left side. These preferences are specific to your account on this device, so changing them won't affect anyone else in your workspace. In the Preferences window, select Appearance. This section controls visual elements like themes, message display, and overall look. It's the central place for color and theme settings. Within Appearance, find the Color Mode area. This is where Slack lets you choose how bright or dark the interface appears. You'll typically see options like light and dark, and sometimes other theme-related controls grouped nearby. The interface may adjust instantly as you preview different options. To enable dark mode, click Dark. As soon as you choose it, Slack switches to a dark theme. You should notice the background, sidebar, and message areas adopt darker tones, while text remains readable with high contrast. There's no save button needed here. Your preference applies immediately. Take a moment to scroll through a channel or two and confirm the contrast and readability feel comfortable. If you work long hours, dark mode can reduce eye strain and glare, and it often looks great on modern displays. If at any point you prefer the brighter look again, you can return to the same appearance section and switch back. That's it. Your Slack is now in dark mode. To recap, you opened Slack from Google, clicked your profile in the lower left corner, went into Preferences, chose Appearance, and set the color mode to dark. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more comfortable, darker Slack workspace.